Today, we are going to talk about subtraction using partial differences.
So our example problem is going to be 717 minus 346. So we're going to take the hundredths value first and subtract it, which is going to be 700. And 346, which is 300. And while this, remember that you can work right to left or left to right. So now we're going to take the tens value. Always take the top number first. And then the ones value. So 700 minus 300 is 400. 10 minus
40 is negative 30. Remember that the top number always comes first. 7 minus 6 is positive 1. Now we're going to add these parts together. Remember, when adding positive and negative numbers, it is helpful to use a number line. On a number line, negative numbers move to the left and positive numbers move to the right. When adding the parts together, we start at 400 and then we have negative 30. So we're going to move 30 to the left. That's here we land on 370. Then we add positive 1. Remember that negative goes to the left and positive goes to the right. So if we start at 370 and we're adding a positive 1, we will land on 371 as our final answer.